So hello to a new tutorial. This time it's all about paying out your earned money, your profits, your affiliates and more. And I'm using an account of a family member which is just made to build the affiliate. So there's only $2,000 in the main product. But nevertheless, you need to understand the whole structure. So you will see on the dashboard here the available balance of 5,919. This is what you can pay out, what you can use in full or partially to reinvest, you name it. But this is, let's call it like a current account. But you have actually 2/3 more sub-accounts. So in order to pay out, everything needs to be in the main balance. So what I am doing every Saturday is to bring things up to the main balance in order to pay out or to do a reinvest, all right? So you have on the dashboard 2 sub-accounts which you reach by going in the menu and putting first of all the financial proposals, going to the XRE-bot, to the main product where I told you there's only $2,000 in. If you scroll down, just as a side note, you see $2,000 was put in February 10th, and now roughly 3 months later, almost half of the amount was earned back, just to show you again the power of this product itself. Unfortunately, yesterday I already brought up my profits, so there's only $16.80, which is now available here. And this I have to bring up to the dashboard by saying withdraw, which I'm doing now. And without any costs and in real time, you see down below, profit successfully claimed. It's now part of the dashboard, which you see here. Now it's $5,936. Let's see if there's also commission still available, only if something happened over the night, because like I said, I did it yesterday. I go to the affiliate program and I see, yes, there is a new earning of $588 available, which came by the activities in the team. You can see here, it's a long list of profit on profit. You only see the first commissions here. Let me go to the full list, and there you can see that you are not only earning dollars, and this is very important to understand. If you look a little bit down here, you see there are Bitcoin earnings, Ethereum earnings, Pepper earnings, and so on and so forth. Those earnings which you are getting in case parts of your team members have also made use of the beautiful Telegram mini app, where you find our trading AIs working on Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and so on and so forth. This commission you cannot get out of your dashboard. For that, you have to start the Telegram mini bot. You go there to affiliate, and then you find those earnings. Actually, you are making Bitcoins only if your team has used the bot in Bitcoin. So make sure to watch the long tutorial about the mini app. Shows you exactly how to take out those funds as well, which is not possible from the website. So I'm going now back again to the affiliate program, because what I want to do now is the $588 here. I want to also bring up to the main dashboard in order to cash it out for this tutorial. Actually, right after, I'm going to put it back in, because I see here the next rank is just around the corner. You see here, there's only $3,000 missing in order to reach diamond. But now for the video, I'm taking it out. I transfer it to the main balance. The system gives me the option to either take it full by just clicking on the number, which I'm doing now, but you can also take only a bit out of it. It's absolutely your choice. Confirm transfer, and again, free of charge and in real time, it's now part of the dashboard. Main balance, the current account, and I go to the dashboard and we will see now it's $6,524 available. All right, now we can take it out in all. So I click here on withdraw, and now we have certain options. I prefer clicking on the currency tab on top and move it down to USDC. And then in the third row here, we can change from Ethereum, which is default. I take the BEP20, and now I have to enter my wallet address, which I'm picking now from Trust. Here we go, USDC, BNB Smart Chain. I copy, going back, I paste it in. Here we are, making a double check, so it ends with 36 BOC. Let's double check if the copy and paste was fine. 36 BOC, khalas, done. I say continue. Next, the system will ask me of how much I want to take out. In my case, I will take the full balance. To give you an idea, you see the charges, which is only 1% and $1.101 USDC. So I say max, and you see I will receive 6,458 USDC. I click on withdraw. I have to add my Google Authenticator code. Let me do this as well quickly. Here we go. And the company rules are roughly 24 hours, but now it's 10 a.m. in the morning. I will for sure receive it during the day itself. This is how it works. And again, do not forget to watch the Telegram bot to see if you have earnings there as well, in case you are not using it yourself. Still you are earning Bitcoin, USD, even USDT over there, PayPal, Ethereum, BNB. And this you find in the Telegram bot, where we have another tutorial made for this reason itself. Hope this helped. Have a beautiful weekend. Good luck, and see you all in Antalya.